Oh God.
You can't.
That wasn't even
That wasn't
loud.
even loud.
They said it was supposed to be loud.
That was.
Give me another one.
They're a bunch of liars.
But that was a bit.
You look cute with your light.
But it didn't boom like a.
That did not at all. This is war, people. Because we got people down there doing fireworks too.
Huh? Oh, what now? Oh, the stream, yeah.
Hey, what was in this one?
Oh, they're sitting on top of my car over there.
Firecrackers.
All right, I got it unplugged.
Alright, alright, hang on a second.
Yeah, I want
It's
to.
more, buddy!
Why did you close it? Take that!
They're up on top right. That's why.
Why'd you close that?
Oh, because my light on my car. I don't want my battery to go dead.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my car is 2003, so.
Yeah.
Blake, I got the perfect idea. Remember, you didn't see what I seen, but when you actually put it down there and the fuse went with it, if the fuse would have stayed like hanging out, I think it would have went really good, because that was the only trick right there. Now you know what I mean.
Please don't burn yourself.